Hello everyone, I hope everyone is doing great. So friends, I'm Johnson England. Today I'm going to share how to grow carnation flower from cuttings in easy and simple way. So friends, without wasting time, let's begin now. So first we need to take a healthy and correct branch for cutting so that it will grow well and grow healthy. So I'll take this cutting using a scissor. You can use a knife for cutting it. Just check here. So it is healthy and it is going to grow well successfully. So the next step, you need to remove some leaves from the carnation cuttings. After removing the leaves, I'll use root hormone. It will help to prevent from fungus and establish the root faster. You can get this in online store or else in the nursery store. So friends, now it is ready to be planted. So friends, this is the soil mix I'm going to use here. So I have used rice husks, river sand and normal garden soil here. So just I'll make hole with my finger and plant it. Remember, after planting this, you need to place this in indirect sunlight in the bright light area. Do not bring it to the direct sunlight till it grows well. So when it has established the roots or when it starts growing well, then you can bring it to the direct sunlight. And remember, do not let the soil dry, so keep watering. Check the soil daily. If it is dry, you give water. If it is wet, you need to give water. So I recommend 3 to 4 times of watering a week to the carnation cuttings. So friends, in the beginning you have to give lots of water to remove the air gap, and it will take 20 to 25 days to grow well. So I'll check this after 25 days. So friends, this is day 25. Just check the cuttings. It has got a healthy leaves and healthy plant of carnation. So I'll show you the proof. I'll take out from the pot, and you can keep this plant now in the direct sunlight. So just check here, it has got roots now you can give fertilizer like vermicompost to keep the plant healthy and grow faster, and keep watering daily. So friends, this is how I grow carnations from cuttings. So if you like this video, please press the like button, and please don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell for more gardening videos. Until then, thank you for watching. Take care. See you in the next video. Bye bye.